In the vicinity of the hills, there is a small, beautiful village where these five friends, Raj, Rishi, Raghava, Momita, and Mimi, dwell and were brought up from their mere childhood days. Raj starts his journey in search of food very early in the morning, and at the break of dawn, the village cock is calling its high-pitched morning call. Raj, in his own mind, is speaking to himself.
I have heard that in close proximity, a heavy rain is approaching. Let me reach out quickly to call Rishi, Raghav, Momita and Mimi on the way. The weather on this hilly area is not good at all. There is probability of a heavy torrential rain.
While on his way, Raj meets Rishi and Raghava.
Rishi, Raghav, there is a chance of a heavy downpour in the hilly region. Come, let us quickly collect our food so that it can help us during the time of distress.
Yeah, let's do that.
Raj, won't you give this news to Momita and Mimi?
Wait, let me go ahead to find out what they are doing.
Raj reaches the boot house, followed by Raghava and Rishi, to call Momita and Mimi.
Momita, Mimi, come down. We have an important matter to discuss with you.
Wait, we are coming.
And at the same time, they decide that after collecting the food, they will take shelter in the sitting altar surrounding a tree beside the Buddhist monastery.
Momita, Mimi, a heavy torrential rain is approaching the hilly region. We are going together to collect our food. You also join and accompany us in our journey?
Alas, why are you calling us at this rainy season? Why don't you go yourself?
No, it can't be. While they are going, we will also accompany them.
Momita and Mimi were singing.
কোথাও আমার হারিয়ে যাওয়ার নেই মানা মনে 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 মনে.
Just at this moment, the sky slowly becomes overcast with dark clouds. Lightning starts flashing and thunderous sound shatters the hilly region. And slowly rain starts to trickle. But alas, with the increasing of the downpour, all his friends leave Raj in the midway of their journey. Raj shouts at the top of his voice.
Raghav! Momita! Please don't leave me alone! Please come back!
You do it yourself, Raj. We are leaving.
During the time of distress, all his friends leave Raj to save their own lives. But though tormented and distressed, Raj doesn't give up hope. He moves alone ahead in search of food towards the monastery and starts speaking to himself. What a pity. When the time is good, everybody stands by your side. But when in distress, all of them leave you behind, alone and empty. This is the tragedy, fallacy, and reality of life.
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো
Finally, Raj reaches his ultimate destination after collecting food. The tree surrounded by the altar beside the Buddhist monastery. And after a while, when the rain stops and the weather becomes bright and sunny, all four friends of him comes to the place where Raj was sitting and they started calling him by his name.
Raj, where are you?
Have you forgotten us?
How you have been able to reach this place amidst this hilly hailstorm, brother?
Really, brother? You alone have the guts to accomplish these missions. We cordially admit and agree. And we salute you for your achievement.
And they all take shelter below the tree with Raj and starts talking among themselves. We pay our respectful tribute and homage to our great poet, Kaviguru Ravindranath Tagore, for imbibing and inspiring such a great spirit among the entire mankind of the world, to stand on his own feet and move alone if need be in this world with his head held high in courage and faith.